everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are gonna talking about the Zilliqa conference. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that make a video on Zilliqa coin, what's going at this time in Zilliqa coin. Especially Zilliqa holders are very confused at this time that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Zilliqa coin. As you know, a whole cryptocurrencies market falls down day by day. Only the unique cryptocurrencies, I think the Moon and Gigabyte and reserve rights token, these cryptocurrencies are moved upward, friends. Except of these cryptocurrencies, all of falls down day by day, hour by hour falls down occurs in a cryptocurrency market, friends. Same like that the process of Zilliqa coin. As you can see here, the Zilliqa coin last 1 hour change is a negative, last 1 day change is in positive, last 1 week change is in negative, friends. And if we talk about the price of Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here, 0.152141 USD is the current price of Zilliqa coin, which is very low from the previous price of the Zilliqa coin, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Zilliqa coin. Before starting this interesting video, this brand video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends, because Abby's Tech channel give you update every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. If we look the last 1 day price change, so the last 1 day change is a negative 17.58%, friends. And now you understand that now the Zilliqa price are positive. So Abby's tell us that now the Zilliqa coin goes down, friends. So as I show you the previous last 1 week price as in the falls, as in the negative, there's only jumps occur in the last 1 day, friends. So that's mean that the Zilliqa coin start jumping at this time, friends. Yesterday Zilliqa coin again start explosion, again started pumping, friends. So if you are a holder, so absolutely it's a good news for all of you, friends. Now if we look the price of Zilliqa coin at this time, so 0.160217 USD is the current price, is the high price of Zilliqa coin, and the yesterday in the last 1 day, friends. Now if we try to detect the next move of the Zilliqa coin, so it is very clear for all of us. As you can see here on the graph, so friends, you can see here now, friends, there is a true move, the one move as that move, as you can see here, friends. And now the second move as that, friends, as you can see here, friends, they whole are same, these two square are same, friends. If you look here is the price of the Zilliqa coin, as you can see here. Now friends, a false occur, after a false take a jump, friends. Same like that, false occur, and after a false they are again ready for this point, as you can see here. Now they are again ready for explosion, friends. So same process occur in Zilliqa coin at this time, friends. Falls, after a falls there is a jump, same process, falls down, after falls jump, friends. And the jump is greater than the falls, that is why the whole chain of Zilliqa coin become positive, friends. So if you're a holder of Zilliqa coin, so please keep hold your Zilliqa coin, hold it. With the last of this month, the big pumps, the big jump of Zilliqa coin are coming soon, so wait for the big pump, the big jump of Zilliqa coin, that will give you a good profit, friends. What's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates.